Hey there, beautiful people. It's Amy, and I've got something to keep those luscious lips gorgeous and hydrated all day and night. Now, we all know that dry lips can be a real mood dampener, right? But they can also hurt, makes laughing, smiling, even eating very, very uncomfortable. Traditional lip balms may help for a minute, but they could contain harmful chemicals, and that's where our new lip hydration comes in. And this is a limited edition, so you won't want to miss out. Here's why this is the real deal for your little smackers, right? So, number one, it is packed with deeply hydrating and moisturizing plant butters that smooth and hydrate our dry lips. No harmful chemicals in this whatsoever. It is actually USDA certified with 94% bio based content from plants and other renewable sources. So cool, right? I don't think I've ever had a lip balm that was USDA certified. It is loaded with Nordic antioxidants and vitamin C. This is your defense against free radicals and environmental stressors. And it's not just practical, it is a delight to use. It has a very pleasing berry scent. So light, right? It leaves a glossy shine. Let me put a little bit on. Look how creamy that is. Uh, Makes your lips look amazing. You can also use this. It actually feels great. You can also use this as a night mask if you have extremely dry, chapped lips. And what's even fabulous again about this is it's 100% vegan. It's not tested on animals, which means it's also cruelty free. It's free of all the nasty stuff like the sulfates, the parabens, the phthalates, gluten, synthetic dyes, and synthetic fragrances. And we don't want any of that on our lips or near our mouth, right? So, whether you're going out for the day or you're cozying up at night, the lip hydration is awesome. It has your lips covered. I would even wear this under a lipstick. So, you can say goodbye. We can all say goodbye to those chapped lips and hello to nourished, glossy, healthy looking ones. So, get yours today. Embrace your lip perfection. I've actually got a few of these for holiday gifts. I'll see y'all real soon. Bye.